Have you ever wondered what is title insurance and how it protects you? Well, we got you covered. Today we're here at McKnight Title in Flower Mound, Texas to answer those questions and more. Come on in. We're here with McKnight Title with Marnie Hunt. Marnie, thanks for having me out today.
Yeah, of course.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right. So first of all, tell us a little bit about McKnight Title. How long you guys been around?
McKnight Title has been around since Scott McKnight, since early 1990s,
Okay.
94, and then he switched over to Title. Just recently, we've opened our 22nd
Wow.
title shop throughout Texas. We've got quite a few around the Metroplex, and then we've got a few sprinkled in Austin, San Antonio, Houston area as well. So,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So tell our audience, why is title insurance important, and what is it?
Title insurance is super important. It protects your asset. You know, the money that your home is your most important investment ever, and that protects that, and every bit of equity and money that you're putting into it, and gives you that security that, you know, it's not going. No one's going to take that necessarily from you. With title insurance, it's different from most insurance. Most insurance is to protect you from things coming up down the road. Title insurance protects you backwards.
Okay.
So from things coming, if we miss an error, if there's a lien that didn't get taken care of at closing, if there is something that isn't seen, to make sure your property is your correct property lines, all those things.
Yeah. All right. Okay. You have any examples you can share of where you guys have saved a buyer from making a critical error?
We've had quite a few. City liens are a very common thing. You know, a lot of with the builders and the lots coming up, you know, available, people wanting to build on those. A lot of the city liens, the way they're indexed, sometimes don't always pull up, or they're missed at closing. Then the releases aren't filed. And we had a transaction just recently where we went back to the prior title company because 3 were missed to have them paid, and then it was actually kind of funny because they paid those and a couple more. We were like, wait, we were going to pay the new ones. We just need you to pay the old ones. So yeah, it did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good. So that kind of goes into my next question was, you know, why is it so important to work with a trusted, you know, verified title company like yourself?
We've got the experience. We've seen it. You know, the knowledge, education, just kind of being aware, and then our support team, our plant, you know, the thorough examinations, the things that we need to get to the bottom of, and then the relationships also that we have built along the way, really helps us navigate those situations.
Right. Now, say a buyer is out there, they found perfect property, they've gotten pre-approved. When should title agency be engaged in the process?
So a lot of times we'll start even before there's a contract in place.
Okay.
You know, when you get a listing, you're like, I don't know what's on title. Can you just take a peek and make sure, you know, the land's been in the family forever. We just want to make sure everything's been handled properly. Or there was a divorce situation. Can you make sure? Or tax liens, that sort of thing. Same way for the buyer. If the buyer's, you know, wanting to get a jump start on, hey, can you give me the warm fuzzies before we move forward with the transaction, then we can go ahead and run that. We can go ahead and pull that. Okay. And make sure, you know, everything looks like we want it to, you know. And then if there is something that we need to work through, we can get a jump start on that, as opposed to waiting in the 30-day contract period.
Okay. All right. So what can a buyer or seller expect from you guys?
We're very hands-on, very, we love to communicate, lots of emails, positive feedback. We're gonna help hold your hand, you know, and that's what we always say, we're here to help. So whatever, you know, the typical buyer and seller don't do this every day. They don't know what to expect. They don't know what all this terminology is, the words people are using, you know. So we try to help with that and give them just kind of a warm fuzzy throughout.
Good deal. Along those same lines, explain settlement statement. So what can you know, all those numbers.
It's a bunch of numbers and boxes, and it's like, there's mud. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
And so we do try to get those out a couple days in advance.
Okay. Good.
We point out the important things on that, and then we'll go over every line item with them, so they kind of know where it's coming from, where it stems from,
Right.
And then the positives, the negatives, you know, and how to get to that bottom number.
Exactly. Yeah. Because I know before I got in this business, it was a little confusing.
Yes.
So.
Yes. Yeah.
So yes.
Yeah, it's overwhelming.
Right. Are there misconceptions that individuals have about working with a title company, you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think a lot of times people, you know, it goes back to, oh, it's fine, I'll just buy this property from my friend, you know, and it's all easy peasy until friend doesn't realize that it's not, you know, a clean situation, or they use the wrong documentation, or the legal description for the property is incorrect.
Right. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, critical things.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah. So, how can people get in touch with you?
You can email, reach out to us, email, give us a shout.
Okay.
We're on social media as well.
Okay.
But yeah, and we'd love the opportunity.
All right. So guys, if you're looking to buy, sell, refinance, please get in contact with us. Love to work with you and get you in contact with Marnie. So, all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.